Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to code in HTML. But before we do that, let's get started with what you need for this course and what you should expect. So first things first is you need to go to jsbin.com, and this course is going to be 100% done online. Now you can run this on your Mac, your PC, and you can even run it on your mobile device, which is actually really neat here. So you want to make sure that you are going to JSBin, and I'll talk a little bit more about why we're using JSBin in the next tutorial. Now, the other thing is that this course is based off the highly successful 1-hour Udemy course. And as you can see here, there are a ton of really good reviews for it. And the reason why people like this course is for two reasons. One, it's only 1 hour long. So what that means is that you are going to have a jam-packed hour of incredibly good material. But since it's only an hour long, I cannot possibly cover anything and everything. So you want to make sure that you manage your expectations. The whole point of this course is that if you have an hour to kill, you will learn how to code in HTML. Now, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's a language that is used as the building blocks of web. So when we finish this course, you'll be able to at least use the building blocks of the web, and you'll get a great foundation as to web development. Now, when it comes to recording these courses, you'll see that the text is actually pretty big. I make it fairly big on purpose so that people can see it. The regular size is probably about this size, and you can't see that as well as if I do it a little bit bigger. So it's a little bit bigger because people are going to be viewing this on their mobile phones, so that's why I do that, okay? The other thing that I do is I kind of make these little magnifying glass here, and I also zoom in from time to time. Last thing we need to talk about is the length of the videos. 100% of the people that go into these courses and take the courses from Mammoth Interactive like short tutorials. So these tutorials are between 2 and 5 minutes, and that way you can go and section off the course one by one and watch a quick tutorial, and that tutorial has only a little bit of information in it. So when you come back to this tutorial 6 months later or a year later, you can just look at the video title and you can find out exactly what it is. In the next tutorial, we'll talk a little bit about what JSBin is.